Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the ColourPop 1111 eyeshadow palette that we talked about in my last video. So I think today's shades I'm going to pick are, I think I'm going to do the Protection, which is this color right here. And then I think I'm going to use Manifest right here, this color. So here it goes. And I've already done my foundation and my lipstick today, primed and prepped. So let's see. It's got good coverage. ColourPop is a good brand. It's always got good palettes. The prices are affordable. These colors are very blendable. I like to go up higher a little bit. Put a little more on. The lower lid. Then we're going to go in with the shimmery color. We'll see how shimmery this is. And if it's not it's not bad. But I think I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to go in with let's see what color this is. I'm going to go in with the Reflect instead. This other color wasn't dark enough. So we're going to go in with this color instead right here. Got some shimmer and I like that. Don't listen to what anybody says. Just because you're in your 40s doesn't mean you can't wear a little glitter. Gotta cover up that gold a little bit. Maybe if I just pounce it on a little bit. There. That looks good. Now, I've done that. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I haven't done a full facial. I've just done my foundation and my lipstick. So I'm going to do my bronzer, and that's the LYS. So I'm just going to do some right there. Do a little right there. Blend that out. out a little bit. And this stuff goes on so good. I've used it in one of my other videos and I just love the way it. Okay, I need my glasses for this. Put some on the cheekbones. Hold on. Some eyeshadow or something. Okay. Right there. Sometimes you can do, this is buildable, so you can do more if you want. I like for it to show up, so you know, I like to put a little bit on. I like for it to be able to give that nice natural golden tanned look. A little on my nose. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Now I'm going to go in with my blush, which is my Ride or Die Subtle Beauty. I never use anything else. I'm going to use something else in one of my videos. I'm going to try a different kind. It looks pretty good. Always remember the apples of your cheeks. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my new lip liner that I bought, which is the Pout Perfection by Kylie Precision Pout, excuse me, and it's in the color Smitten. And this is a berry, like a mauve berry color. You can see. I thought it went well with the lipstick that I'm wearing today, which is the NYX Lingerie. And now I'm going to go in with my Ride or Die Milani Conceal and Perfect. This stuff is amazing. For a drugstore makeup product, it works amazing. It holds all day, hot days, T-zone, it works great. There. And that's the finished look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll link the products that I've used, and until the next video, hope you have a great day. Thanks guys, bye.